Hello everyone. Today I'm excited to introduce you to the Limit Order EA, a powerful trading tool designed to make bulk order management faster and easier. With this expert advisor, you can place multiple buy or sell orders instantly using simple one-click buttons. Whether you want to place 5 orders or 10, it only takes a single tap. You also have full control over your lot size, entry price, stop loss, and take profit levels, all from the easy-to-use control panel. The Limit Order EA also comes with a smart trailing stop system, so you can protect your profits automatically. Managing trades has never been simpler. You can close all profits with just one click, secure half of your profits, or even close all open orders instantly in case the market changes quickly. This tool is perfect for both scalpers and swing traders who want to save time and improve precision. Now, let's see the Limit Order EA in action. With just one click on the Sell 5 button, the system instantly places 5 sell orders at the selected price level. Notice how all 5 orders are displayed immediately on the chart, saving you time and effort compared to placing each trade manually. This makes it incredibly efficient for traders who want to execute multiple positions in fast-moving markets. Next, let's demonstrate how easy it is to manage your trades. By clicking the Close All Orders button, the Limit Order EA instantly closes every open position on the chart. This feature gives you full control, allowing you to quickly exit the market with a single click, especially during fast-moving conditions. No more manually closing trades one by one. Everything is handled instantly and efficiently.